This quiz challenge separates average minds from extraordinary intelligent students very quickly. No skipping, no cheating, let's go. Question number 1. Which American state contains Hollywood attracting aspiring actors and filmmakers worldwide? Option B. California is famous because Hollywood is located there, and Hollywood produces many popular movies, television shows, and entertainment watched worldwide every year. Which planet contains tallest mountain discovered throughout entire solar system today? Option B. Mars contains Olympus Mons, which is the tallest mountain and biggest volcano ever discovered anywhere inside our solar system today. Which European country gifted Statue of Liberty celebrating friendship with America historically? Option C. France gifted the Statue of Liberty to America to celebrate friendship, freedom, and strong relations between both countries many years ago. Which American river carved Grand Canyon through millions years geological erosion processes? Option B. The Colorado River slowly formed the Grand Canyon by cutting through rocks continuously for millions of years using flowing water. Which spacecraft carried first humans successfully orbiting Earth during historic mission? Option B. Vostok 1 became historic because it carried Yuri Gagarin, the first human successfully traveling and orbiting safely in outer space. Which European capital city contains famous ancient Acropolis overlooking surrounding neighborhoods? Option A. Athens is famous for the Acropolis, an ancient Greek structure showing Europe's rich history, architecture, and early civilization achievements beautifully. Which American president abolished slavery through Emancipation Proclamation during Civil War? Option B. Abraham Lincoln helped end slavery in America during the Civil War and became one of the country's most respected presidents. Which planet experiences longest day compared with every solar system neighbor? Option B. Venus rotates extremely slowly, so one complete day on Venus actually lasts longer than its full year around the Sun. Which European country became birthplace of famous composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart centuries? Option A. Austria became famous worldwide because legendary music composer Mozart was born there and created beautiful classical music enjoyed everywhere today. Which American city contains Liberty Bell symbolizing independence and national freedom? Option B. Philadelphia's Liberty Bell became a powerful American symbol representing independence, freedom, and unity throughout important moments in national history. Which astronaut spent nearly 1 year continuously living aboard space station? Option B. Scott Kelly stayed nearly 1 full year inside the International Space Station to study how humans survive long periods in space. Which European mountain attracts climbers because Snowy Peak touches multiple national borders? Option B. The Matterhorn is a famous snowy mountain located between Switzerland and Italy, attracting climbers and tourists from around the world yearly. Which American invention transformed communication after Alexander Graham Bell created telephones? Option B. The invention of the telephone changed communication forever because people could suddenly talk instantly across long distances around the world. Which galaxy will eventually collide slowly with Milky Way billions years later? Option B. Scientists believe the Andromeda Galaxy will slowly collide with our Milky Way galaxy billions of years later in deep space. Which European country remains famous worldwide for chocolates, waffles, and medieval architecture? Option A. Belgium is famous for delicious chocolates, crispy waffles, and beautiful medieval buildings attracting millions of tourists from different countries yearly. Which American state contains Silicon Valley developing advanced modern technology companies globally? Option B. Silicon Valley in California contains many famous technology companies creating computers, smartphones, software, and modern digital inventions used globally every day. Which planet possesses strongest gravitational force among solar system planetary neighbors today? Option A. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, giving it the strongest gravity among all surrounding planets today. Which European city contains canals replacing roads throughout many historic neighborhoods today? Option B. Amsterdam is famous because canals flow throughout the city, replacing roads in many areas and creating beautiful water transportation routes. Which American national symbol appears prominently upon official government seals and flags? Option A. The bald eagle became America's national symbol because it represents courage, freedom, strength, and power throughout the country's long history. Which telescope captured breathtaking deep space images after launching beyond Earth orbit? Option B. The James Webb Telescope captures detailed deep space images helping scientists study distant galaxies, stars, planets, and mysteries of the universe clearly. Which European country contains famous Black Forest inspiring countless fairy tale stories? Option A. Germany's Black Forest inspired many fairy tales because its dark trees and mysterious atmosphere seemed magical to ancient storytellers. Which American city became famous because Wall Street controls financial markets globally? Option B. New York. Wall Street in New York controls major business and financial activities that strongly influence economies and markets around the world daily. Which moon orbiting Saturn sprays icy particles creating spectacular outer space rings? Option C. Enceladus. Saturn's moon Enceladus sprays icy particles into space, helping create some of the beautiful rings surrounding the giant planet today. Which European country contains ancient windmills alongside colorful blooming tulip gardens yearly? Option A. The Netherlands is famous for colorful tulip flowers, traditional windmills, and bicycle-friendly cities attracting visitors from around the world yearly. Which American document officially declared independence from British colonial government authority? Option B. The Declaration of Independence officially announced America's freedom from British rule during the important historical revolution period many centuries ago. Which planet contains enormous canyon system stretching farther than America's Grand Canyon? Option B. Mars contains Valles Marineris, a massive canyon system much larger and longer than America's famous Grand Canyon discovered today. Which European capital city contains famous museums displaying Renaissance masterpieces and sculptures? Option B. Rome's museums display famous Renaissance paintings and sculptures that attract millions of art lovers and tourists from around the world. Which American holiday honors military veterans returning courageously from national service duties? Option B. Veterans Day honors brave soldiers who served and protected their country during wars, conflicts, and important national emergencies throughout history. Which spacecraft explored Pluto closely before continuing journey toward distant outer regions? Option B. New Horizons became the first spacecraft exploring Pluto closely and sending detailed pictures from the distant dwarf planet back to Earth. Which European river flows beautifully through Paris before reaching Atlantic Ocean eventually? Option C. The Seine River flows beautifully through Paris, adding charm, beauty, transportation, and historical importance to France's famous capital city today. Time's up, quiz over. Tell us your final score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quiz challenges every single day.